Hi, I'm Amanda from I Am Baker, and today I'm gonna do something that my family loves, and that is birthday cake. This is just a classic yellow cake with chocolate buttercream, but it's one of those recipes that's so good and so timeless that we need to get it perfect. I start with a stick of butter. We're gonna add 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. I'm gonna turn my mixer on and just let that room temperature butter and sugar come together. As soon as they have incorporated and lightened and are a little bit fluffier, then we can continue adding some of our wet ingredients. Okay, that looks good. So now we're gonna add in our oil. I use a canola oil, you can use any vegetable oil. I'm gonna add in a little milk, and I like my milk at room temperature anytime I'm incorporating all of our dairy, butter, milk, even some eggs in there. And then we're gonna add our eggs. All right, so let's get our eggs in here, and you could do it one at a time, or in this recipe, I really don't mind adding them all at once. All right, so I'm gonna add my vanilla, that's my last liquid ingredient, and I'm gonna do a full tablespoon. Let's get our flour. We need our baking powder, and then salt. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of kosher salt. Our batter has come together, so we're gonna get it into 2 8-inch round cake pans and pop it in the oven. My cakes have baked and cooled, and now I'm ready to assemble this. For a yellow cake with chocolate frosting, I can't think of anything that's more traditional birthday. I just whipped up a batch of chocolate buttercream, and I'm gonna spread it right over my cake. This is my final layer of this yellow cake. You can see just how big and beautiful it bakes up. So we're gonna cover this entire cake in our chocolate buttercream, and we're just doing a rough coat. So we're just doing a really rough kind of coating on this just to make sure everything is covered. I don't care if there's any cake popping through. I don't care if there's any crumbs. I really just want every little piece of our cake to be coated in frosting. So I'm just gonna do a rough border around my cake, and that is, you can take any shell tip, which is a 32, an 18, a 16, a 21. Basically any tip that's got the star in it, and you just apply pressure and go around your cake. That's it. Super simple, but it brings me back to every birthday cake I ever had. I'm gonna do it around the top too, and this one I'm gonna go up and down and just try and get a little birthday flair. We're almost done. It just takes 5 minutes. All right, I finished piping all of that chocolate embellishment, and so the last thing would be to add our sprinkles, and you can also just get these at any grocery store. A lot of times you can get the bigger size in the bakery, but you just add it right around the top and let them fall every which way around your cake, right around that edge. And if you wanted to, you can also pipe out the name of the person that's having the birthday right in the center of your cake, or you just leave it blank. That's where all of your candles go. Sometimes I over embellish in my decoration and I don't leave room for candles. Whoops, my bad. All right, that's it. That's it. This cake comes together so fast, tastes so good, and brings back all the amazing memories from childhood of a delicious yellow cake with chocolate buttercream and all the sprinkles, because sprinkles make everything better. If you want the entire recipe, head on over to iambaker.net.